Hello guys, this is an update. As you can see, the engine has been fitted. I'm changing the oil cooler for the gearbox. So the one that we remove it here, we don't trust it. So okay, as you can see now I'm busy connecting all the wire going to the engine. Even the fuse box already put it, and then the oil cooler, we're using this product as we trust it. It's mk1 auto parts. It's the best. It's been developed by mk1 USA. This is the best product, as you can see, and it's affordable. Even if I cannot tell you how much this cost, but it's affordable, as you can see. Nice. See inside now. See inside. Seems like all in order. As you can see, this is a new one. We're going to install the new one. As you can see, even the rear one, it's been installed. Even rear left and right, it's been installed. Driver side, front, left. My son runs install. Is going to install it now. As you can see, now he's removing the airbag, side airbag. Going to put the new one. The one that we trust. Alright, it's an update, guys. Keep posting. As we can see, even this one pump, we're going to change this one. It's the second one, so that one we don't trust it. Alright, guys, see you later.